Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to go back and look at Mines of Dalarnia, because as I was checking the charts, the price action is currently forcing Mines of Dalarnia to make a decision soon. So let's dive into the charts to see what we can see, okay? So looking at Mines of Dalarnia right here, after the subsequent dump, that flash crash of Bitcoin, we have since been moving sideways, waiting for the EMAs to catch back up. So if you watch my last videos, we always talk about you don't want to rally too early when the EMAs are overextended because there's a high chance of getting rejected. This structure right here is what I mean. Because the 21 EMA and the 55 EMA are still far apart, when we try to rally, sure, we were able to rally past the 21 EMA right here, but we got rejected on the 55 because it's too early to rally. What you want is something where we are now. Look at the 21 EMA and look at the 55. They're fairly close. So it only takes a single burst to break through it, backtest this as support, and go back on an uptrend. When we overlay the structures that we drew before, it's going to make a decision soon. Why is that? Because initially we were forming a broadening descending channel right here. We actually fell below the structure. And in our last update, we did say that you don't want mines to be rejected on this lower trend line right here. And that's exactly what happened. So we were not able to climb up immediately. And then we met it as resistance at first before eventually breaking out of there. Tried the rally but failed because we were just in the channel. And right now, we are currently hovering above this upper trend line right here. Why is it going to be forced to make a decision soon? That is because Mines is currently coiled up between this upper trend line right here of the broadening descending channel, this horizontal triangle right here, and it's sandwiched between the EMAs. So it's sandwiched between the 21 and the 55. If we break out of here, assuming that the crypto market will be healthy this week, then if this is the breakout pattern right here, then you have a technical target of around $2.87. But if we fall to the downside, then we do have a technical target of around $1.58. Now, the key thing to note about these technical targets is because it's a horizontal triangle right here, the target will move. So depending on when the breakout happens, the target will be moving. So if it breaks out here, then it's higher technical target. But if we slide down a little bit more because we made the decision a little bit later, then it's slightly lower. And that's the same with the downside targets right here. So now that you know that DAR will be making a decision soon, if you were to come into the project, how do you then come in? This is where you really have to spread out your buys. So this is a potential opportunity to come in, for example, because we are resting on the 21 EMA. That's good investing principle. If we break out of here, the back test of support, then that's your second opportunity to purchase. If we break out of here, break through the 55 and then backtest this 55 EMA as support, that's another entry opportunity. If we break down to the downside, then we're pretty much back in this channel right here. So if we fall back to the channel, this is pretty much DCA right here. So there's a lot of opportunities to enter DAR, but because of its uncertainty, you really have to spread out your buys. If you like that video, hit like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also have other gaming cryptos that you would like me to look at, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll take a look at it in the future. Until then, take care everyone. Bye-bye.